Recent CAD renderings of the S24 Ultra revealed that it will have a similar aesthetic to the S23 Ultra. A flat screen and some narrow bezels. Despite the fact that the models from OnLeaks have dark background, it might be difficult to determine the size of the bezel. But when you apply a lighter wallpaper, you can see those tiny bezels peek through. The phone looks stunning with its symmetrical, slim bezels. The phone will feature a flat display, but the top glass is really slightly curved. It will feature 2.5D glass on top similar to the iPhone X, and the S24 and S24 Plus will have flat frames similar to iPhones with the smallest bezels we've ever seen on a phone. Even the case manufacturers demonstrated how unbelievably thin the bezels are. This time, the S24 Plus S camera lenses are a little larger. The strongest graphics performance among smartphones has traditionally been attributed to iPhones. Thanks to the snappy Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU, the S23 Ultra completely altered the game. This phone not only performs better in terms of graphics than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, but several tests have also shown that it performs better than the most recent iPhone 15 Pro Max. The most recent leak indicates that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will continue to follow this pattern. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU for the Galaxy emerged on the Geekbench 6 GPU compute test and scored an astounding 15,000 points and change. That is around 6,000 points greater than the S23 Ultra. Simply said, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has mind-blowing 60% better graphics than the S23 Ultra. This is consistent with earlier speculations claiming a 50% graphical improvement. Another leak on Antutu that demonstrates a 40% improvement supports it as well. All the leaks indicate to a 50% increase in graphics performance, which is enormous for a year-over-year boost. But it's not just about the visuals. These 3nm nodes help this new technology be very efficient as well. According to rumors, it will be around 30% more efficient than Apple's A17 Pro in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The Exynos 2400 processor, which Samsung formally introduced at their developer conference, essentially verifies the prior speculations that the Exynos is making a reappearance in the S24 series. In comparison to the Exynos 2200 in the S22 Ultra, Samsung boasts that this chip is a staggering 70% quicker in the CPU and a staggering 1500% faster in the AI. Be aware that they are contrasting 2024 and 2022 chips. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.